Now, one by one, we would cover up the each kit and sign and symptoms for each kit and the treatment utilized, and what is the algorithm of making the diagnosis, as well as the what are the points to be kept in mind. First one is the first sign and symptom is the discharge. If patient he or she complains of the discharge, तो discharge can be either urethral discharge और vaginal discharge. तो जो किट 1 है वो यूरेथ्रल डिस्चार्ज के लिए द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल काजेज ऑफ द यूरेथ्रल डिस्चार्ज आर द क्लेमाइडिया एंड द गोनोरिया इन्फेक्शन, एंड उसके लिए ही फिर ट्रीटमेंट देंगे. डिस्चार्ज के साथ साथ क्या क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है पेशेंट की प्रेगनेंसी रूल आउट करने के लिए, लास्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल पीरियड की हिस्ट्री LMP to rule out the pregnancy, as well as the discharge का अगर complain कर रहा है तो patient one should ask about the type of the discharge, nature of the discharge, as well as the amount, smell and color and consistency must be inquire about, and also there should be history of the genital itching. These are also asked from the patient to confirm the whether this is a urethral discharge or vaginal discharge. Kit 1 is for the urethral discharge, and the most probable cause are the chlamydia and the gonorrhea, and the treatment include for both male and female. The important point is to initiate the treatment, give the kit 1 in the cases of the urethral discharge. Another is other histories of vaginal itching and vaginal discharge if absent, and treatment immediately initiated, and counseling of the patient as well as the partner management, motivation of the patient for the partner management, partner को भी लेके आए, and treatment should be immediately started for the partner, and send the sample for the lab investigation. What is given in the treatment is the one single dose of the 1 gram azithromycin along with 1 gram along with 3 gram of the cefixime. किट 1 में क्या क्या दवाइयाँ होती हैं? 1 ग्राम एजिथ्रोमाइसिन और 400 मिलीग्राम cefixime की single dose is given in the kit 1, and patient is asked to come after 7 to 14 days for follow up to check the compliance, whether she is getting cured, उस ट्रीटमेंट का असर रहा है, डिस्चार्ज ट्रीट हो गया है. अगर मान लो डिस्चार्ज परसिस्ट करता है तो देयर कुड बी टू रीजन, ईदर द पेशेंट हैज नॉट कंज्यूम्ड द ड्रग properly, or second reason could be the patient is not responding, and there could be another infection also, say along with this vaginitis is also may also be there. So treatment for the vaginitis, that is the second kit of the sacnidazole, and is also given in these cases. Or even if after all these things, giving kit 1 and kit 2, patient is not responding, patient must be referred to the higher centers for the treatment. So याद रखने लायक बातें हैं. The symptoms complex is kit 1 is based on the discharges, discharge की हिस्ट्री में क्या क्या पूछना है, कौन सी किट देनी है, किट में दवाइयाँ क्या हैं, एजिथ्रोमाइसिन एंड द सीफिक्सिन, कितने दिन बाद फॉलो अप करना है, एंड अलॉन्ग विद द पार्टनर मैनेजमेंट. STI RTI में हर केस में एटलीस्ट पार्टनर मैनेजमेंट ऑफ लास्ट 3 months मैनेजमेंट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट इन ऑल पेशेंट ऑफ द STI and RTI. Partner management is important, should also always done with the case management in the cases of STI and RTI, and the partner should be convinced for taking the treatment, and if he or she is not coming by itself, there should be contact tracing for identifying the sexual partners of the person taking the treatment. जो भी ट्रीटमेंट ले रहा है उसके लास्ट 3 months में कितने सेक्सुअल पार्टनर्स हैं, सो दे शुड ऑल शुड बी ट्रेस्ड, एंड ट्रीटमेंट शुड बी गिवन टू simultaneously the treatment for the syndrome should be given to the partner as well. And the second important thing is if urethral discharge in male, the treatment of the female partner, it is to be kept in mind whether she is normal or pregnancy must have been ruled out, because the treatment or drugs बदल जाएंगे. Cephalosporin is okay, can be given in the pregnancy in place of the erythromycin. Erythromycin QID is given for the 7 days along with the C-fixin 400 milligram, and 7 days erythromycin 500 milligram 4 times a day is given in the if the partner is pregnant. Pregnancy must be ruled out and must be kept in mind. So this is the management of partner, and there should be lab investigation for the other infection like HIV and hepatitis B infection, and the patient should be referred to the ICTC for the counseling and testing of the HIV.